For me, gold is the sun. It's like light. In this house, we spend our life here. Color and space. Those are my emotional things in relationship with art. You feel like it belongs to you somehow, the space around you. Color sort of lives with me, I have to create my thread, from threads. And from that, everything is construction and color. In the process, one step can lead you in a different direction, The process is another miracle. For me, the most important thing is that my mind has freedom. You follow your mind and your vision is movement. When you are really working with textile, the colors change, the light changes, everything changes. The textile is movement. I compose or fabricate my own materials. Linen and gold and paper and gesso. All my things, they have to have those 4 elements. If I will do these things myself, it would take me forever. So I said, well, I need people. My helpers are wonderful, very sensitive. They love what they do, From the beginning, it's a new thing, I don't look around for inspiration. It just grows in me. When you see, you see. The mind is very mysterious, and creativity is very mysterious. It's a long life, working these things, and discovering all the time. I could work with gold, and with gold, it's eternity.